Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify settings 500 error that says there's a problem loading this page. So if you're seeing a 500 error when trying to access Shopify settings, follow these steps to resolve it. Refresh and try again. So press Ctrl, Shift and R on your Windows or CMD or Shift or R on Mac to force a full refresh. That will instantly refresh your Shopify store. Or try opening Shopify in incognito mode to see if the issue is still persists. After doing this, you can clear cache and cookies. You can click on the three-dotted icon at the top right of the screen. Click on settings, navigate to privacy search and services, scroll down, click on choose what to clear, then choose to clear your cookies and other site data from this and click on clear now. And that will instantly fix your problem. Now, another way to fix this problem is checking for Shopify server status. Navigate to a new tab, type in Shopify server status. Now, click on shopifystatus.com and make sure all systems are operational. If there is a red cross, you'll have to wait for a while, then try logging back in. Now, you can also disable browser extensions because some extensions can interfere with Shopify. Click on extensions at the top, then click on manage extensions, and here you can disable or remove all the extensions that could be causing this problem. Now, another way to fix this problem is trying a different browser. You can navigate to Start, search for a new browser like Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, Opera, or any other browser and see if that solves your problem or not. Now you can also try restarting a router or switch to a different network to see if the issue is related to your connection. And if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off because Shopify might block certain IPs. Now, if the issue persists, reach out to Shopify support for assistance. And by following these steps, you could easily resolve the 500 error problem and get your Shopify settings page working again. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.